As required by most states, proof of insurance is usually required in order to register a vehicle. The minimum amount required for coverage tends to depend on each state's laws and requirements. In general, most states require people to obtain a policy with bodily and property damage coverage. However, these requirements depend on the state at which a person resides and will affect if they can obtain cheap insurance. The majority of the population are always looking for ways they can save. Although there are certain things that can help, it is important for people to keep in mind that the rates they pay depends on a number of conditions. In the past, finding the best coverage rates required people to invest a lot of time. Most of the time, people would have to call every company they wanted to compare. Therefore, most people today do not think they have the time necessary in order to compare quotes. However, technology now provides people with a quicker way to compare more rates than ever before. For that reason, people can save more while investing less time comparing rates. The process involved is usually simple and requires that people only have to fill out one form in order to gain access to numerous quotes from multiple insurers. As a rule, people should never consider one insurer best for cheap insurance. Mainly, this has to do with how rates vary according to each driver. Every insurer defines specific characteristics of drivers they consider profitable. Often, these categories they define result from past experiences with customers. Therefore, some insurers will be cheaper for those who are married, while others will not. In most cases, all insurers will charge drivers with accidents or violations on their driving record more. However, some insurers will increase a person's premium regardless of whether they have experienced either. Normally, this type of increase results from losses experienced by insurers by a few of their policyholders. Furthermore, an increase in lawsuits has further contributed to the higher coverage costs. Even though most insurers provide rates according to their losses, some companies continue to reward excellent drivers with discounts. Overall, the best way for people to find cheap insurance is by knowing the types of discounts insurers offer. By knowing this, it becomes easier for people to save by choosing a company that provides them the most amount of discounts for